Okay, our last assignment for math today is going to be the standards connection for geometry. So we've already completed the other two things. If you had any challenges with those, please let me know. Send me an email. And if you're at home, we can do as a Google Meet or something, and I can walk through those with you. Might be a little bit easier. Or you know what? If you're really struggling, just wait till the next school day that you come back, and we can do that as well. So don't panic. If it's stressful, just take a break and we can go through it together when you're back at school. So here's what we're going to do next. We are going to figure out how to decipher, it sounds like a fancy word, how to figure out what the hypotenuse of the triangle is. So first we need to find what a squared is, which means this is going to multiply by itself. So this leg is 3, so we're going to put 3 here. It's going to make more sense when we do it. And then we're going to do with the same number. So we're going to figure out 3 times 3. If you need your calculator, you can use your calculator. 3 times 3 is 9. And this leg is 4. 4 times 4. Nice that it's color-coded so we know exactly where to put all of our numbers. 4 times 4 is 16. You can check that on your calculator so you can have some practice on how to use your calculator. And then your hypotenuse is the long side of your triangle, okay? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 times 5, which is 25. Whoops, not 256. So a squared is right here. Sorry, I just pointed to my screen, funny. A squared is right here, 9, plus b squared, which is 16, equals c squared, which we already know is 25. So you're going to use this formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, to find out what this hypotenuse is. We're going to try it again. So let's see. Put all your numbers in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 6 is 36. This leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, sorry. 8 times 8 is 64. Oh, come on. Whoa. And the hypotenuse, the long side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times, oh my goodness,
equals.
sorry, 10 times 10 equals 100. So now we're going to double check. A squared is 36 plus 64. You can add that on your calculator to make sure that it equals 100. Okay, sorry, I flicked through the rest just to see if we were going to need to not count these. So here's what you're going to do. When you continue this work, you can count these and count these to figure out. The orange is always going to be this hypotenuse on these, okay? So you're going to count this number, multiply it, and put it here. So it's nice. You can use this color coding if you're forgetting which one to do, and make sure you zoom in. It'll help you to count those boxes a little bit better, okay? But these numbers should always add up. This number plus this number should always equal this number, okay? So when you're continuing, some of them get to be quite large. So you're going to make sure that you're going to want to use that formula down here and then just double check that these are equal. All right. Good job, guys.